So, when you talk to people from either the foundation or anyone who has an opinion on Ethereum, I feel like when it comes to how L2s are, I'm of the mindset that I'm in favor of how Ethereum scales to L2s because I'm not a maximalist in that sense. Where I think we are L2s do make compromises on things that are decentralized because sequencers are not exactly like mempools or whatever, but these are like compromises that I feel like make sense. In the sense that L2s, I see them as and not just me, this is like a known kind of like way of looking at it, that L2s are the execution layer and Ethereum are the consensus layer, right? You kind of like, you can have that really high bandwidth on L2s to do things, but you constantly kind of write it to Ethereum because, that's iron, right? That's like, what's there, that like there's no all kinds of like shenanigans that can happen. And I see that as a very viable way to, scale Ethereum. So yes, the assets themselves sit on the L2s, but I don't think that it would be this way if you didn't have Ethereum underneath as this consensus layer that it kind of like provides this trust infrastructure that everybody can use.